Is it worth getting the Amazon Fire HD 10.1 inch tablet in 2019? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Simon, your guide to all things tech related. And today I'm going to take a look at the Amazon Fire HD 10.1 inch tablet. That's a mouthful right there, isn't it? The tablet was released in 2017. Let's take a look at the specs. You get a 10.1 inch display at 1920 by 1200 resolution, but the pixel density is only at 224 ppi. You get a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM. A bit outdated if you ask me. 32 GB or 64 GB of storage space with the ability to expand up to 256 GB via a micro SD card, a headphone jack, and a micro USB port. It also has dual-band 802.11ac Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, stereo speaker, and you can use Alexa hands-free. But I won't do that because it might prompt everyone's Alexa to go on. It's also running Fire OS 5, which is based off Android Lollipop. It's old, but Amazon is still providing software updates to this tablet, so that's a good thing. You have access to Amazon's own app store, so you can watch Netflix, Hulu, Prime Videos, HBO, and even play some video games. There is no Google Play Store, although you can install it on your own if you Google the instructions on how to do it. The performance from this tablet is average, and at certain times I notice the tablet will lag in basic tasks such as opening apps and even launching the keyboard. Like, come on, really? The keyboard? There's also ads in this tablet, which I found very annoying at certain times, and the Fire OS interface is a bit clunky. There is a front and rear camera, but don't even think about taking photos with it. The rear camera is a measly 2 megapixel camera, and the front-facing camera is only 0.3 megapixel. We travel back in the past, my friends. The build quality is okay. It's made out of mostly plastic. Battery life is decent. For the most part, I was able to get up to 10 hours of battery life. So is it worth getting this tablet in 2019? I think it's worth it if you can find it at a decent price and if you only use this tablet as a consumption device. But what do you guys think of the Amazon Fire HD 10.1 inch tablet? Do you own one? Which tablets do you guys recommend? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in getting the Amazon Fire HD tablet, I'll have a link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified of new videos.